Today is my long run. Before I ran, I went to nature to breathe some fresh air. Then, did some warm-ups, some A skips, B skips, C skips, and also high knees. After I warmed up, I went for my 19-kilometer long run. It takes 1 hour and 25 minutes. After my long run, I cool down and also drink a lot of water. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.